How to make your small business dream a reality. There are many ways to make your small business dream come true. All of it needs much effort from your side. A person with dreams will be 100% ready to put their heart into it. If that's your case, there are many doors open for you. 1. Ask yourself what business you want to start. What type of business is your dream? Do you have any original ideas? Does any business model inspire you? Knowing what exactly you want to do is a must. Only then you can make a clear vision. Based on the vision, the rest of the business journey will happen. It will help you see the strengths you have. Also, notice the shortcomings. So, know what exactly you want to figure out the rest. 2. Plan the budget. Now that you have a clear vision of the business, you can plan the budget. For many business aspirants, this is the point where the dream gets challenging. Starting a business in the traditional industry is so hard. The number one hurdle is the high sum of capital. It takes away the dreams of many people. 3. Make an alternate business plan. Suppose you have a dream but do not have enough funds or support to start it. There's no need to lose heart. A successful business person will always be able to turn setbacks to their favor. This problem-solving skill can help you out a lot. So, if the traditional industry is hard to enter, you can always start a direct selling business. It doesn't ask for a huge sum of capital.